In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check stock in Zoho Books. If you're managing inventory, keeping track of your stock levels is crucial for ensuring that your operations run smoothly. Whether you're monitoring stock levels to plan for future sales, manage orders, or just to maintain a balanced inventory, Zoho Books offers a robust set of tools to give you a clear snapshot of your inventory situation. Today, we'll look at how you can access and interpret these insights through the Inventory Summary Report, making your inventory management tasks a lot easier. To get started, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account and navigate directly to the Reports section. Once you're there, look for the specific report named Inventory Summary. This report is your go-to for a comprehensive overview of your stock situation. Clicking on this will allow you to dive into a wealth of information regarding your inventory. Now that you're in the Inventory Summary section, what you want to do next is run the report. Running this report is like opening a detailed map that guides you through your inventory landscape. By hitting the Run Report button, you trigger the system to gather all the crucial details about the inventory items you have set up in Zoho Books. Once the report has been generated, you'll be presented with an informative table of metrics for each of your items. One of the vital figures you'll see is stock on hand. This tells you the current quantity of stock you physically have in your warehouse or storage, a fundamental figure for any inventory manager to know. Alongside stock on hand, you'll find the quantity ordered. This particular figure relates to how much stock you have already ordered from suppliers, but has not yet been delivered to you. It's a useful metric to bear in mind when planning your next order, or determining whether you have enough stock to fulfill upcoming sales orders. Next up is committed stock. This one can be a bit tricky at first glance. Committed stock refers to the quantity that has been allocated to fulfill sales orders, but hasn't yet been physically shipped out to customers. Being aware of this number helps you understand obligations you have to your customers and ensures you don't promise stock that's already committed. Finally, we have the metric known as available for sale. This is the golden number for anyone in sales or customer service because it tells you how much stock you actually have available to sell, taking into account both stock on hand and committed stock. This valuable figure allows you to know instantly what is ready and available to meet customer demands, aiding in planning and ensuring customer satisfaction. And that wraps up the basic process of checking stock in Zoho Books. By becoming familiar with these metrics, you can more effectively manage your inventory, making planning and decision-making much smoother and more informed. Thanks for watching, and happy inventory managing.